mission is going to take the next step in our flight test campaign. We're going to focus on what are the new systems that we need to test out so that we can fly crew to the moon and safely bring them back home. That really sets us up for our big goal, which is the return of human crew to the surface of the moon.
It's so important what we learn in that mission to the moon because it instructs us on how we're going to get to Mars. This is a generation-defining effort.
My name's Jeff Radigan. I'm the lead flight director for Artemis II. Here in Mission Control, I direct the operations of the spacecraft and communicate with the crew on board in order to have a successful mission of a first mission back to lunar space in over 50 years. We want to get back out to lunar space. We want to fly around the moon. And so to be a part of that is just very meaningful to me. It's something I